Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you will want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, whichever one you grab should be good enough, as long as the paperclip doesn't have that like plastic little wrap around it. If it does, you might need to peel it off. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which will be located on the bottom of the tablet, or where we have the charging port. Now, we might need to take off the case. The way I'm gonna do it, as you can see that, a little bit more light, there we go. As you can see, the tray is right here on the corner, and it is partially covered by the case that I have, which is the what was it, the premium or VIP crap. It's not, but whatever. So I don't actually need to take off the case fully. What I can do is just pop this corner up like so, and you can see it just gives me full access to it. So grabbing the tool, now push it in here, and when you push it in, you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. On the tray, you have space for one SIM card and one SD card. So let me grab one of each. I can actually place it on the tray. There we go. And here's the other one. Now, there's nothing holding these cards in place apart from gravity. So when you insert it, just make sure that these cards don't kind of come loose or misplace themselves and you're jamming them in there by trying to insert it. So let's try to put that back in here. There we go. You might need to wiggle it a little bit. Oh, and I can already see that the SD card is trying to pop out of its place. So I just make sure, there we go. It's going in there fully. Now, as you can see, the moment I inserted this, the cards, it automatically started detecting them, and it's prompting me to confirm my SIM card PIN. So doing so will unlock it. So SIM card is obviously working, and SD card is working as well. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.